Well, good morning. This is the first ride in the area. We're just leaving Woodhall Spa caravan and camping site, and we're going to go down to Boston, but we're going to go through Boston to a World War II museum. There is a bit of a coastal area around there. Don't know if we can cycle it, but I've put it on the route. If not, we'll have to do a slight detour. But the weather's meant to get up to 27 today, so I've got plenty of water with me, and I'm hoping when we get to the coast it will feel a bit cooler. Okay, enjoy the ride. Well, it was only moments after leaving the caravan site that I got on Broadway Street, and just at the side of this Methodist church is a sprayed mural depicting the pilots, the planes. I don't know if that's a Lancaster or Wellington, and the scene of them flying overhead. It was pretty good. Now we're just leaving Woodhall Spa and we're going over the bridge here. And then if you see where I'm pointing now, that is the end of the water trail if you're coming from Lincoln. But we have to go over the bridge and then we drop down to join the water trail on the west side. Now from the bridge we're looking northwards towards Lincoln with the water trail on the right. There's also some pontoons there to launch kayaks. We're following the River Witham. This stretch of road hugs the River Witham and it meanders alongside it. It's quite a nice, quiet and traffic-free road. As you can tell today, it is very, very breezy and I'm getting a little bit of a push. Now this is the point that the River Bain meets the River Witham, and also we start to see lots of barges and boats. Now this part of the route, this must be the longest lane I've ridden. It goes on for miles, dead straight. Whether it was an old Roman road at some time, I've no idea. But it goes on and on. Well, I've just completed that long road. I think it was 7 kilometres, whatever that is in miles, 5 miles, just under 5 miles. Dead straight line. Right, we've turned off now. Right. And we're going over that bridge back onto the waterway. Okay, I don't know if you can tell by the videos, it's very windy today, but what we've done today, we've come from Woodhall Spa. That's come down there along the river. It meanders a lot. Then there's a long road, about 7 kilometres road there. And now we've just crossed over the bridge and final leg to Boston. Now what we see centre of this frame is St Botolph's Church, Botolphh. It is the Anglican parish church of Boston in Lincolnshire, and it's also referred to as the Boston Stump. It must stand out for miles. It was constructed in the 16th century, and the tower is at least 266 feet and 9 inches. Quite a landmark for the Boston fishermen, I believe, on a clear day. And it is a Grade 1 listed building. The sun is starting to come out. Someone must have taken the bench. It's a bit bumpy. Now at the back, I can only assume that somebody died here or drowned. Here's another sculpture. Let's see if there's any plaques. Can't see any plaques. Just stopped at the set of locks. Going into the river there. And here we are, we've arrived at Boston. It's quite a posh hotel, some figurines. And that was market day on Saturdays. So we've just arrived south of Boston, and you can just see the stump there. Now this is the route I've been looking at Commute. Wasn't too sure whether it was cycle friendly or not, and it's called the King Charles III coastal path. And as you can see, it looks like there's been vehicles driving down here, but it looks good enough for cycling. So I was quite excited that, again, because of all the dry weather, the ground was quite firm, no muddy patches at all. So it was a thumbs up, and let's explore this section of the route. Well, there's a car park there, and I'm going to continue along this path, but we have some sort of, oh, what's this? Memorial. near this place in September 1607, those later known as the Pilgrim Fathers were thwarted in their first attempt to sail to find religious freedom across the seas. Memorial reworded by the generous gift of the National Association of Congregational Christian Churches of the First Congregational Church of Wauwatosa, USA. Wauwatosa. Now this is interesting, a little bit of sculpture. I think really it's a beacon of some sort.
Horizon, inspired by the significance of its site, this structure explores themes of nautical navigation by allowing the visitors to imagine journeys to the unknown and beyond the horizon. In 1607, a group who later become known as the Pilgrims attempted to leave from nearby, leading to one of many transatlantic journeys and complex, challenging history. Always changing and infinitely complex, the structure references navigational instruments and methods used by maritime travellers for the millennia, along with meteorological, solar and astronomical readings. The key destinations of their subsequent journeys are traced through time from their first point of departure.
Somehow we've got to cross that sluice gate, large sluice gate, to get across to the other side. Going through. It's a bit bumpy, a bit sheltered from the wind as well, so we're getting a bit of a push. Now, as we look across the water there, we can see another path, and there's even some walkers walking down there. Might be worth one day, on another day this week, trying to get on the other side. But this is the mouth of the rivers Haven and Welland, so it is not the Witham River anymore. And down at the bottom there, that little hut, that's a little bird hut. The most southern point of Boston. Oh, and he went. Oh, let's go and have a look at this. Watch out for nettles and horseflies. Oh, what does it say? The Steve Keatley Cut and Bird Hide. Oh, I thought it was something else. No, I'm not looking forward to this. There's a load of cows up there. There's cows in the way. I wonder if I can walk through. If not, I'm going to go down here. I've chickened out. I've decided to walk down the steep embankment. After me. That was looking at me. They're looking at me. There you go, I got round you buggers. Too hot to run. Now we're going to carry on going that way. What is this, my friend? I think it's lunchtime. I'm not sure if you carried on down there, there's some old war pill boxes. Don't know whether to go and have a look or not. But we're just at the wetlands now, nature reserve. And somewhere over there is the museum. Here's a pillbox. And I wonder if Andy had put his poppy somewhere. Can't get in this one. Well, that's where we've ended up. It's the Welcome to Freiston Shore Nature Reserve. It's a nice place, lots of bird hides. And now we're going to the We'll Meet Again World War II Museum is left. Right, we're coming back into Boston. This is the river, some shipping boats.